In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp's AI to write a marketing email. By the end, you'll have a polished email drafted with AI and saved in your Mailchimp campaign, ready for your next steps. First, open your Mailchimp account and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. From there, look for the Create button. Go ahead and click it to start a new campaign. When the creation options appear, choose Email. You'll see different email types. Select regular email so you can build a standard campaign message. Next, fill in the basics. Pick the audience you want to send to, such as a list you use for project news or updates. You can leave the subject field blank for now if you plan to use AI to help later. Keeping it empty is totally fine. You can come back to it once your content takes shape. Now move into the builder by selecting Design Email, or you may see Edit Email depending on your view. This opens Mailchimp's email editor where you'll build and format your message. Inside the editor, find the AI tools. These may appear as AI Assistant, Write with AI, or Intuit Assist. The name can vary, but they serve the same purpose, helping you generate content quickly. Click Generate Content to start. You'll get a prompt box. Type a clear, specific prompt that tells the AI exactly what you want. For example, write a welcome email for new subscribers of a digital marketing service. You can add details like tone, length, a main call to action, and any key points or offers you want included. Avoid entering any sensitive information. No personal data, passwords, or private links. When you're ready, click Generate. In a moment, you'll see a draft. Review the AI output carefully. Make sure the tone fits your brand, the facts are accurate, and any placeholders are updated. Adjust the copy for clarity, shorten or expand sections as needed, and add your unique voice so it feels authentic. Once it looks good, click Insert or Apply to place the content directly into your email body. If you'd like AI help with the subject line, you can also use Generate Subject Line to get suggestions and then pick or tweak your favorite. Finally, click Save to preserve your work. That's it. You've created an email with Mailchimp's built-in AI and saved it for the next stage of your campaign. Thanks for watching, and great job taking advantage of AI to speed up your email creation process.